Hello guys, am I audible everyone? Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Hello Rajat,
Hello, sir.
how are you Rajat?
Fine, sir.
Good. So now people are joining. Okay, I think we should start now. Hello guys, this is Vishal Bora. Once again, I'm with you with All India Rank 23 and gold medalist from NIT Raipur, Mr. Rajat Anand. Today, Rajat will help all the aspirants of GATE Biotechnology. And right now, you all are here and you can ask anything related to your preparation. And on our WhatsApp support chat, we got a lot of queries regarding a revision strategy. So we thought we should arrange a webinar session. So Rajat, you have to share a good strategy for the revision in these 2 months because the GATE examination will be in the February month, and right now it's a November ending. So students are facing some revision related problems. So please share some tips and the smart tricks to revise the course very smartly and introduce
Okay,
yourself
sir.
also.
Hello, everyone. I am Rajat Anand. I have done my BTech in biotechnology from NIT Raipur, and I have secured All India Rank 23 in GATE 2019. And currently, I'm pursuing my master's at IIT Delhi. Any question related to GATE or anything about the revision strategy I will be sharing? If you have any doubt, you can ask in the chat or by audio.
Tanuja, do you have any question? It's just a 20-minute session, so please ask. Yeah.
So I'm doing my master's in biochemical engineering and biotechnology. So for recombinant DNA technology, you should follow a book that is called Gene Cloning and Analysis by T.A. Brown.
Rajat, please read the questions also because the comment section will not be visible for YouTube.
Okay, sir. So Manju has asked that which big book did you follow for recombinant DNA technology? So for recombinant DNA technology, you can follow one book called Gene Cloning and Analysis by T.A. Brown. Pratika Agarwal has asked what to do for bioprocess numericals. So for the bioprocess numericals, I will suggest two books that are very good. One is Bioprocess Engineering by Schuller and Kargi, and the other one is Bioprocess Engineering by Pauline M. Doran. So these two are very good books. So in these books, you will find the solved numericals as well as the unsolved numericals, and each and every topic is covered in these books, so you can follow these books. So Manju has asked that can we cover lesser weightage subjects like microbiology from cash course or short notes instead of standard book? So if talking about now, very less time is remaining. So I would suggest you to not study much about the subjects, but I will tell you to go through the mock tests. Like you can join the Find My Test, test series, which involves the subject-wise tests as well as the full-length tests. So after practicing these tests, you will get to know that in which topics or in which subjects you are weaker. So you can work on those by studying only those topics from the books. So at this point of time, I will only suggest to practice as many numericals and as many tests as you can, and focus less on reading from the standard books. And Tanuja Rajput has asked about, she wants to know about the strategy. And Riya Sharma has asked how to prepare for engineering mathematics and which books should we prefer and important topics in it. So firstly, I will tell about this question and then later I will move on to the strategy. So in order to cover the engineering mathematics, I will suggest one book, that is Engineering Mathematics by Dr. B.S. Grewal. So that is a very good book. And talking about the important topics in the engineering mathematics, uh, as I have seen that a lot of questions come from the topic, that is matrices and determinants. So in that particularly, you need to solve numericals based on eigenvalues and eigenvectors. They are very much important, and I have seen a lot of questions from this topic in the past GATE exams. And other important topics in engineering mathematics are differential equation, Laplace transform, and this calculus. So differentiation and integration, you should focus more, and along with that, differential equations and Laplace transformation. So you should focus on these. Uh, and books for biotechnology, I have shared one list of books in the WhatsApp chat. So sir will be providing you the link to join the WhatsApp group. I will again share that list for the books for
एक
biotechnology in that group.
M24 एक कॉन्वेंटेड बस ये लेजेंडरी
Yes. So Kratika Agarwal has asked, is NCRT enough for differentiation, differential and calculus?
तेरे
So
लेजेंडरी आउटफिट है एक लेजेंडरी हेलमेट चश्मा है नहीं लेजेंडरी
please switch off your mic, and if you want to ask something, you can ask.
Yeah, continue,
Uh,
Rajat.
okay. Is NCRT enough for differentiation and differential calculus? So actually, in the differentiation and differential calculus, there are some additional topics, like the subjects or the topics you have studied in the NCRT were basics. There are some additional topics as well that you will only find in that book called Engineering Mathematics by Dr. B.S. Grewal. So some additions are there in all the three subjects, that is differential equations and differentiation and integration. Some additions are there, and so you can, and in the chat section you can find one link from where you can join the WhatsApp group. I will share the list of books that you can refer for biotechnology. And uh, Tanuja Rajput has asked, covering maths topic quite tough and how to prepare it. So I will suggest you, at this point of time, you should study only important topics, so you can focus on the matrices and determinants part. And after covering it from the NCRT textbook, what you can do is you just go through this concept of eigenvectors and eigenvalues from the book by Engineering Mathematics by Dr. B.S. Grewal, and then you can solve numericals regarding to that only. And other things you can cover is the differential calculus. So for now, I will only suggest to cover differential equations and differentiation and integration. Don't need to cover anything else. Tanuja Rajput has asked from where we can practice set of MCQ, GATE, VT or Excel. So in order to practice the MCQs for GATE Biotechnology, you can purchase our Find My test series, where you will be getting the full length test as well as the topic wise test and also the subject wise test. So a lot of tests are there, so you can focus on that. How to memorize the bioprocess, mainly chemostat formula. So for that, I think you need to just practice the numericals from the books that I mentioned, and also just every day you need to write and learn. Nothing any, like you can just solve a lot of numericals and you will be able to remember the formulas. So coming on to the strategy for the last 3 months. So ideally you should, at this point of time, you should mainly focus on the test series. Like you should practice the MCQs and the numerical questions only, and after solving the numericals and the after solving the numericals as well as the MCQs, you will get to know that in which subject and in which area or the specific topics you are weak, and those topics you can just give a glance from the standard textbook, or maybe from the internet you can study. So that will give you an idea about those subjects, and you will be able to cover only the important topics then. So briefly about the strategy, it is this only, that practice as many numericals and MCQ questions right now, and then uh, after getting to know that in which topics you are weak, you just study them from the books or internet. Then you will be able to cover only the important topics, and this will give you confidence as well about the exam. And Abhi Rawat has asked, how was your interview experience at IIT Delhi? So, interview experience was very good. Like after cracking the gate, I filled form of the all the top 7 IITs, and IIT Delhi. When I visited, so there was one, when I entered into the interview room, all the faculty members of the department were sitting there, and they asked a lot of questions. Like, firstly, they asked about the favorite subjects. Like they generally ask three favorite subjects, and then they ask questions regarding to those subjects only. So when I told them my favorite subjects, that were biochemistry, recombinant DNA technology, and molecular biology. So then they asked questions relating to those subjects only, and initially they started with a few easy questions, and then they get to a higher level of questions. So it was very good experience. A lot of things I learned, and some questions I was also not able to answer. So there is no need to get demotivated or something. But then finally I got selected. Kratika Agarwal has asked which IIT is good for microbiology. So if you want to go for microbiology, I think that for the MTech course, there is no branch like microbiology. So like you can only get a biochemical engineering, biotechnology, and bioprocess engineering, like in all the IITs, and some are giving biological sciences, and some are giving biological engineering. So that you have to decide, and if you want to work on a project relating to microbiology, then you can go to the different websites of different IITs, and there you can study the profile of the different professors, and there you will get to know that which professor is working on a topic related to the microbiology. So as long as I know, for microbiology you can go for IIT Kanpur, some professors are doing work on microbiology, and maybe in other IITs also you can find this course, like not particularly the course, because the course is in biotechnology and related fields only, but for the project you can visit the website and you will find information about it. Sir, which college is best for industrial biotechnology or bioprocess? So for bioprocess engineering, IIT Madras is offering a course on MTech in bioprocess engineering. So you can go for IIT Madras. And as far as I know, I don't know any IIT offering MTech in industrial biotechnology. So for bioprocess engineering, IIT Madras is there, and also IIT Roorkee is also there. Yes, IIT Roorkee and IIT Madras, they both offer MTech in bioprocess engineering. And also at my time in 2019, both selected on the basis of gate rank only. There was no interview for that. So you can join the WhatsApp group from this link in the chat. Uh, Kirtiman Mahata is asking how to overcome exam fear. So for that, I will suggest that you just since very less time is remaining for the exam, so in order to overcome the fear, you should, what I can suggest and what I have done is that you can uh, give an online test series. So for the online test series, what you can do is you can sit in a room alone with the timer of 3 hours, and you can get one notepad, because they in the actual exam they will be providing one notepad along with that. So you can take a notepad, one pen, and you can sit in front of your PC and or laptop, and you can give the exam for 3 hours, a full length mock test online, because it will improve your the speed of calculation and speed of answering, because you will be able to get to know the pattern of the online exam. So you can do this, like I have done in January. I started with this, and each and every day I used to solve one exam like this. So one test per day you can solve for 3 hours by sitting alone in one room. That will boost your confidence, and will also help you in reducing the exam fear. Abhay Rawat has asked the minimum rank for selection in IIT. For the minimum rank in selection in IIT, so every IIT has a different criteria for selection. So if you want the top IITs, IIT Delhi, Madras, Bombay, and Kanpur, Guwahati, and Roorkee, so a rank below 150 will get you these IITs. So like you must always try for a rank below 100, because that will assure you one good IIT. From 100 to 150 there are very good chances of getting IIT Guwahati. Like what I have seen from my experience is that below 100 to 150 you can easily get IIT Guwahati, and below that you will get other IITs. And there are some other IITs also, like IIT PHU, IIT Gandhinagar, and IIT Mandi. So they, in these colleges you can get the admission in rank above 150. So like I would suggest you to get a rank between 300 to 400. Like if your rank is below 400, you can easily get these IITs like IIT Gandhinagar or BHU, and the rest depends upon your interview, because most of the students who have a higher rank, like this 300 to 400, but if they perform well in the interview, they can easily get even the top IITs as well, if they get a call, because these IITs set a range of rank, and each year it is varying, it is different, so we cannot predict. So a rank between 300 to 400 will be very good. after that, I don't think you can get IIT, but you can easily get an NIT. Uh, so how to reduce negative marking, uh, is Bhumika is asking how to reduce negative marking. So in order to reduce the negative marking, what you should do is that uh, you should there is one option in the online portal of the GATE exam where you can select that question with a purple color, where you will be able to recall it and you can see that question again. That is called a review question. So at the end of the exam, when the time is going to finish before 15 minutes, you can just check the questions you are not that much sure. So you can maybe clear the response, or you can just change your selection if you want. So don't need to take too much risk, because it will definitely affect your rank. So do the exam very carefully and manage the time very well. And one question is there, syllabus cover methodology suggest please. So at this point of time, I don't think you will be able to cover the whole syllabus, because only a very few, like 2-3 months are only there. So I don't think you will be able to cover the whole syllabus. But what you can do is you can study only the important topics from the different subjects, because that is the only thing you can do. And in order to know that, you can practice the past year GATE question papers and also the mock test. That will give you an idea, like how the questions are asked and in which topics you are weak and from where it can be asked. So I will suggest you not to focus more on covering the entire syllabus, but focus more on practicing the numericals and MCQs. Um, one question is there, sir, will CGPA matter? At least 8.5. Uh, like CGPA does not matter much if you are applying for the MTech program, because the uh, major criteria for the call is basis, or is on the basis of the GATE score and GATE rank. So only this GATE rank is the only criteria. CGPA doesn't matter until or unless you are applying for a direct PhD program. With this GATE score, you can also apply to direct PhD program after BTech. So for that, the CGPA will definitely matter, and also the college from which you have done your BTech, that will also matter a lot. But it is always good to have a good CGPA above 8 to have a good impression on the professors while your interview. So Manju has asked that are NITs good for doing an MTech? Yes, NITs are good for pursuing MTech, and you can definitely go for them. Uh, in NITs also, I would suggest you to pursue them from the top ranked NITs, uh, because they will be offering you a better infrastructure and better lab facilities. So try to get into the top NITs of India. And Anisha Paul has asked, sir, for MTech in bioprocess, there is no interview round. As far as I know, during the 2019, uh, when I appeared for the interviews for the MTech in bioprocess engineering at IIT Madras and IIT Roorkee, both of these IITs did not have interview round. Only they directly selected me from on the basis of the GATE rank. But maybe this time or any other year they can hold an interview for the selection. But in 2019 there was no interview.
Rajat, I think we should stop now because it's 25 minutes completed. So guys, you can join the Find My test series, and if you have any query and if you wanna talk with our experts or Rajat, so you can share your query on our WhatsApp chat support and also in group. Our WhatsApp chat support number is 9509939058, and you can visit findmytest.com to join the test series. We have topic wise test, subject wise test, and full length test. We have more than 100 of tests. So you should join and start practicing the tests. Okay, guys, I wish all the best to all of you, and I wish you all will crack the GATE examination this year. And feel free to ask anything from Rajat or us on WhatsApp chat support. Thank you, Rajat, for giving your valuable time to us, and thanks,
Thank you.
audience, for joining the session. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.